company. So, you're the little glob of tin who's been making all the trouble. Who are these losers?
We, sir.
I'm a woman.
Ouch.
We've come to rescue our friend, you evil bag of bolts, and you will be defeated by the very outmosts that you scorn and detest.
Yeah, because there's 7 of us and only 1 of you.
Whoa, whoa.
There's 7 of us and 8, 9...
Did you count that one?
I think so. Could you all stop moving around? It's so frustrating! I think I counted one of you twice.
So long, partner.
Ready for the test, Dracula? I'm ready, Frankenstein. Then let us begin.
What the fuck happened? What happened? What happened?
Why the fuck aren't you vegan yet?
Why the fuck don't you shut the fuck up, you dumb cunt? So, for those who watch Space Jam, this is one joke I didn't get as a kid, but now I totally do, now that I've watched tons of other movies, so this joke has aged like fine wine.
I didn't know Dan Aykroyd was in this picture.
Oh, Ghostbusters references. Oh, if you think that's good, I was there back in the day when they had the 3 hairy thumbs up weekend blockbusters. I remember the commercials where it's like, it's the biggest, brightest, and greatest star straight out of Hollywood for the 3 hairy thumbs up weekend blockbuster. Really excellent. And this week, the suspense is terrible. I hope it lasts.
And oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for you.
Hey, cunt! Whoa, Dad! What? She's a cunt? A cunty cunt? What you gonna do about it, you big old cunt? You gonna cunt all over me with your cunty face and your cunty boots and your vagina?
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. I hate Christmas. New Dr. Seuss's The Grinch Musical, Wednesday, December 9th on NBC.
What do you want? Do you want to see me unhappy? Do you want to see me insecure? Do you want to see me end up like Charlie Brown?
Damn, Linus, you're gonna throw Charlie Brown under the bus like that? What the fuck, man?
If you drink cow's milk, you're a piece of shit. You're an animal abuser, you can't deny it.
Okay, well, if you're not gonna drink cow's milk, then, well, drink man, bitch.
Madam, there are hundreds of parasites out there, armed to the teeth.
Catherine O'Hara just smacked Tim Curry. You do not smack the Curry! I swear to God, there's a fucking training montage in this movie. We're gonna need a montage. What kind of fucking Dragon Ball Z shit is this? This is funny as hell.
Well, here we are. At the end of a trilogy. At the end of a legacy. And the end of a saga. Thank fuck!
Congratulations and welcome to our club. We are so happy you are here.
Oi! Who the fuck let your account back on here, you damn cunt? You're supposed to be dead!
Oh, but I will. Oh my God, you killed Kate. You bastard. Just for you.
Arnold Schwarzenegger. Why are you so weak?
Vegan teacher.
Yes.
Hey, do you want to go make out in a graveyard?
Yes, of course, but we're under lockdown, and can I think about it over a shower? Because I've been stitching a lot of TikToks today, and I need a little bit of a break, but I appreciate the offer. No! You stupid fox! No! No! Mamma mia! Okay, so weirdest scenario, I'm in a value village and the entire power supply went out. That's just creepy. Yay!
Stop stitching and duetting my videos, mocking me.
No mustache, Adam Sandler! And I guess that's why they asked for the news. Broken the hands without consent, the news. Acting like children, but more like brothers. In time themselves. but do you ever come up with your own lyrics when the theme songs come on? The Lord of the Rings! Johnny Depp, Orlando Bloom in Pirates of the Caribbean. Indiana Jones is here. Star Wars, nothing but Star Wars. Let's go watch Star Wars Episode 4. The Empire Strikes Back and it's pissed. Oh, great Scott! Time to go back in time on the DeLorean in Back to the Future. Oh, look up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane. No, you're all just dumb, it's Superman. Go Avengers, save the day.
Hey everybody, it's me, Mr. Plinkett. I'm finally on TikTok, and I was TikTok, I guess. Anyways, if you want me to review and quote stupid shit on this app, all the kids are using it, by the way. Post a comment on this web zone, and you might even get a pizza roll onto your door. I'm hip like you old kids are. I even got a Corona. Number 1. If this app hurts my brain, can I hold China responsible?
Shoot the thrill, pay the kill. Too many women, too many pills, yeah.
Classic movie themes with lyrics part 2, because I can! Terminator Spring, why they still a thing? Sequels need cha-ching, because they need their bling. Gotham needs the Batman! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Jurassic Park! Check out the dinosaurs roaming free, don't get eaten! Gogeta, Godzilla, watch out for his tail, Godzilla, Gogeta, Godzilla, he's a symbol for Hiroshima, Godzilla, Gogeta. Hail, King Kong, God of Skull Island, King Kong, hail, King Kong, King of his island, King Kong, Return of the Jedi, let's take out the Death Star! Watch out, Jaws is in the water, Chrissy, don't go in the water!
So this is what it's like to be Darth Vader.
Hey, SpongeBob! Fuck! Oh my god!
Okay, let's see what this app is all about. Why does it look like the Teletubbies lair? Wait, what the fuck? I'm the sun? I'm the fucking sun? Silly rabbit, tricks are for kids. Dumb rabbit trying to take Easter away from Jesus.
Bring out your day.
Here's one.
Ninepence.
I'm not dead.
What?
Nothing. Here's your ninepence. I'm not dead.
Here. He says he's not dead.
Yes, he is. I'm not.
He isn't?
Well, he will be soon. He's very ill. I'm getting better. No, you're not. You'll be stone dead in a moment.
Oh, I can't take him like that. It's against regulations.
I don't want to go on the car. Oh, don't be such a baby.
I can't take him.
I feel fine. Well, do us a favour.
I can't.
Well, can you hang around a couple of minutes? He won't be long.
No, I've got to go to Robinson's. They've lost 9 today.
Well, when's your next run?
Thursday.
I think I'll go for a walk. You're not fooling anyone, you know. Look, isn't there something you can do? I feel happy.
Where we come from the land of the ice and snow, from the midnight sun where the hot springs flow. How about no? Are you the head of TikTok? Then the answer is no. If you're not. No. No. Bye.
I guess I'm just a playdate to you.
Don't worry about it. You're still a success in your own way.
You know what? I appreciate that, ma'am. Thank you very much. I know life's really tough right now for a lot of people, and we've all got our own baggage and our own reasons why to either lash out or just really stick to our own guns. And half the time, I look at the people who are so entitled and are so thinking they're above everybody else, and I think, just appreciate what you have and take what you can get. I go through my own personal struggles, but I have a lot of people I look out for, and I don't try to ask for anything more. You, ma'am, are a good person, and if you need a friend or somebody to talk to, you can just reach out to me. Besides, all my previous friends have been showing their true colors, and they've kind of fucked off anyway, so I need some new friends. I sometimes do exactly what you're talking about in terms of just being lazy, and I don't see a problem with it. Besides, half of humanity isn't working anyway, so if you need a day to be lazy, just go fucking do that. Peace and love,